In this video, I will tell you the incredible way I spent my weekend last weekend. Hello, peeps. I had a very stressful weekend. Come and eat with me. This is oat swallow, and this is egusi soup with spinach. I had a very stressful weekend though. It's 5 o'clock on Sunday, and I'm just eating for the first time. My first meal for today. Yesterday was Saturday. I woke up. I did content, social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. I did that one for about 4 hours in the morning, or 5 hours. The other day that Olivia was saying that content creation is hard work. Some people were criticizing her. I was just looking at them. Yes, the grace of God is there, but you see this hard work, you can't remove hard work from part of content creation. So I did content creation, scheduling posts on my different media. Then, and I had training. After the training, and I went to shop. So, and normally my son will be around to help, but my house is an empty nest now. That is, my children are all grown now. Finished school, gotten job, moved to other cities. So my husband was just saying, how are you going to do this shopping? I said, don't worry, I will cook because I'm a solution provider. So I went. What I just did was, I just first went to one of my customers. This guy is from Eritrea. He sells all these peppers and all that. I just first went to him, bought the different pepper, bell pepper, habanero pepper, long and bell pepper, onions, seasonings, everything. Watermelon, I bought it. So I told him to give me one of his trolleys. And I put all the things in the trolley, garlic, ginger, lime, all those things. I put them in the trolley. And I told him I'm coming. And I went to Poundland. And I went to pick up beverage and Pringles and all those, those small chops. And I brought it, put them in the trolley. And I went to Aldi. It's a walking distance. So, and I went to Aldi, and I went to buy milk, almond milk, because I didn't see it in Poundland. Although it's £1. When I used to buy it online from Amazon, it's £2. But since I found out that in Aldi, it's £1, I don't go online again. Buy from Amazon. And I went to buy that one. So after buying it, on my way, and I put that one in one bag. On my way, and I stopped by in a shop. And I bought fish and cow leg. Put it then, and I bought beans, oloyin beans. And I bought tom. So, and I took all those things to where my trolley was. So at this time, my trolley was full. So the guy now asked his brother to help me and push it to where I can get Uber, because their shop is in the city center. Uber can't stop there, if not they will be fined. So the brother now helped me to push the trolley. So, and I booked Uber there. And then the Uber driver was very nice. He's a Caribbean. Just gisting with me all along. Am I going to make stew? How do I make my Nigerian stew and all that? He told me not to move anything. He helped me to put the things in the car. And when we got home, also drop the things for me. So after that, and I had to do a video, as a lifestyle content creator, I had to do a video of all the things that I bought, because I'll make that video. Then after that, and I started arranging. Man, by this time, my body was telling me, you are tired. But I just had to do it, because if I don't do it, nobody will do it. The children are no more around. And daddy was at work. So I had to now arrange everything. Then I now grilled the fish. And I boiled the cow leg. And I went to sleep. So this morning, now Sunday morning, I'm making this video on Sunday. I woke up and quickly made the soup. That's the soup I'm eating now. So after making the soup, and I went to church, I was almost late. A neighbor, he lives 2 streets away. As I was walking to the train station, And I just approached him. I said, please, can you take me to the train station? He said, okay, no problem. So on the way, we were just chatting. He said, are you going to church? I said, yes, I'm going to church, and I'm almost running late. He now told me that he doesn't go to church. I said, why? I said, because he lost two people that were very close to him. And he was like, God, why should it happen? Oyibo, he said the other woman that he lost had 2 children. So he was like, God, why did you let this happen? So I told him, at times it's like that. Good things, bad things happen to good people, that God has a reason for everything. Anyway, I shall just use that opportunity to quickly preach to him. And I told him he should be thinking about it, that one of these days, especially if we have special program, I will invite him. He now said, okay, no problem, that I should please pray for him. I said, I will pray for him. His name is Mark. So if you are watching this video, you can put him in prayer. His name is Mark. So he dropped me off. So see this video now, see me waiting for bus. I'm going to use the same bus as you are. Because the bus I was targeting was not behind schedule. You know, somebody had not dropped me. So that means I had to wait for like 9 minutes. Because today is Sunday, and I had to wait for like 9 minutes. So I just told one lady there to video me. So that was it. She just videoed me. So this is the video. Just help me capture this one.
Yeah, Eunice in the house. Eunice.
Yeah, you got it? Then I went to church. After church, I just stayed a little bit then. And I went to pick up what I did not see yesterday. That's oat, this oat swallow. Because that's what I eat. I eat oat swallow. So I now went to pick up the oat swallow. So I now came home. I'm just getting home. That was how my weekend went. After eating now, I will do 1 or 2 things for the food to digest. So I will now go to bed early. How did your own weekend go? Please drop it in the comments. See you in my next post. Share this. Comment, like, share. If you are watching me on Facebook, hit the follow button. If it's on YouTube, hit the subscribe button. See you in my next post. Bye. Bye.